Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Central Florida-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and talk about question number 17 of the top 15 ALJ trick questions. I know it's past 15. It's okay. It's late here. It's probably late there where you're watching this, or very, very early. Let's get through it either way. 17. What kind of vehicle do you drive? What kind of vehicle do you ride in? Is it a car? Is it a truck? Is it a van? Is it a bicycle? Is it a motorbike? Is it a scooter? Is it a other form of transportation like a bus, train? What the judge is getting at here is, can you kneel, stoop, bend, twist, all that jazz? If you get into a low car, that means you have more of an ability to use your hips, knees, and spine. If you're getting into a higher car, like an F-250, or excursion, or whatever, then at that point, you can go ahead and limit your ability to have to move to get into the vehicle. Layla, stop. Scooch, be nice. Lay down. And what we mean by that is that basically doing certain functional tasks for transportation will go ahead and show the judge how you have the ability to go forward and do certain physical movements. And if you can do those certain physical movements, then it will either... Layla, stop. It will either embolden the idea that you can walk without issue, you can sit without issue, you can stand without issue, you can lay down without issue, you can, do all these basic functions without issue. The other option here is that it depends on what your impairment is and likely what the judge is trying to gain from it. So let's say that you're driving across state just to see medical treatment. You do it all the time. That's bad, because you got to explain how you have to get out of the car all the time, that you can only get in and out of a higher up vehicle, which is why you have to take a truck, yada, yada, yada. Then you get into the question of, well, how do you afford the fuel? Is it a diesel? Is it a gas? All that jazz. So car versus van versus truck trick question, the whole point here is explain what vehicle you use, and then be ready to explain how you are capable, how you set yourself up to successfully get into the vehicle and also out of the vehicle. Okay. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you have a unique question, you want the most up-to-date information or a custom video made, give me a call, shoot me an email, or shoot me a text. Okay? Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.